Hi friends, now let us see the quadratic equation by using formula method. So as to solve the quadratic equation by formula method, what we have to do? Let us write the standard form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 is the standard form or general form of the quadratic equation. To find the roots of this quadratic equation, we have seen the factorization method. Now, the first method to solve it is a formula method. So, what is the formula to find the roots of the quadratic equation? The roots of the quadratic equation, it means the value of variable which satisfies this equation. So, where variable is x here, so the value of x you have to find, and the value of x is given by the formula x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. You might have a question in mind that what is plus minus e. So let us see. As this is a quadratic equation has a degree 2, it has two solutions maximum that can solve or that can satisfy this equation. So the first solution if we denote by alpha and second solution denoted by beta, it means the roots are alpha and beta, then the first solution or the one root is alpha is equals to minus b, and now from this plus minus we take only plus under root b square minus 4ac upon twice a, and the another root that is suppose denoted by beta is equals to minus b. Now let us take minus sign here, minus under root b square minus 4ac upon a. It is not necessary that always alpha should be taken and the value plus sign plus should be there. You can take here also alpha and here beta. But what will be the difference? If you do plus as for alpha, then alpha is greater than beta in this case. And in reverse if you do, that is instead of this plus if you have taken minus for alpha, then beta is greater. You can take plus. Okay? So it is not compulsion to take alpha for plus only. It can be taken. Okay. Now on the steps. Steps to solve. First, write the given equation in a standard form or general form. Then second step, to find values of ABC. What is the next step? Find A, B, C. Values of ABC. Then to get it easier, first of all find the value of b square minus 4ac, so that it is easy for you to write. Means if you find this value first, then just you have to put that value here in the under root sign and you have to simplify. And after that, the fourth step, use the above formula. Okay, so these are the four steps to use to solve the quadratic equation by using formula. So the idea is x is equals to, if the equation contains variable m, n or any other, then that variable we have to write here to write the formula. So let us see example. Now let us see practice set 2.4, question number 2. Example first. Here x square minus 6x plus 5 equals to 0. Now in the solution, what we write first? We write the given equation x square minus 6x plus 5 is equals to 0. We compare this equation with the standard form, and the standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here it is written in the standard form, if you observe it. So comparing this equation with standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, what we get? We get the value of a. See here, value of a here, the coefficient of x square is 1. Nothing is written, it means 1. So value of a is 1. Value of b, the value of b is the coefficient of x, that is minus 6. Value of b, that is minus 6. And value of c, that is constant, that is c equals to 5. In this same exercise, in question number 1, you have to solve the problems given in this way. To this. Question 1 is find the value of A, B, C. So what we have to do? You have to write the equation first, write it, compare it with the standard form, BC. In this way, you have to solve first question of the same exercise. Now, in the second question, you have to solve this example, solve this equation. It means you have to find the root of the equation, and for that again the same procedure is here up to this step. Next is we have to find the root. So for getting first find the value of b square minus 4ac as you have already studied. Now the value of b is minus 6, so minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a, that is 1, into c, that is 5. That is equals to minus 6 square is 36, minus 4 into 1 into 5, that is 20, and that is equals to 60. So value of b square minus 4ac is equals to 60. Now what we use? We use formula. So by using formula, so x is equals to, as in the given equation the variable x is there, square root x. The formula is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon a. Now therefore put the value of minus b, minus is in the formula, the value of b is minus 6, so write the minus 6 inside the bracket, plus minus square root of, so the value of b square minus 4ac, that is also called as discriminant, the value is already calculated, and that is 16 here, upon 2 into a, the value of a, that is 1. So therefore x is equals to minus into minus, that is plus 6, plus minus we write as it is, we will separate it in the last step, square root of 16, that is 4 upon 2. So therefore now here we can separate the value of x is equals to 6 either plus 4 upon 2 or x is equals to, यहाँ हम लिखेंगे 6 minus 4 upon 2. Therefore x is equals to 6 plus 4, that is 10 by 2, or 6 minus 4, that is 2 by 2. Therefore x is equals to 10 by 2, that is 5, or x is equals to 2 by 2, that is 1. So therefore we write roots of the equation, roots of the given equation, are x is equals to 5 or x is equals to 1. And we can check our answer as in the last chapter also we have seen, putting the value of x equals to 5 in the equation. Let us see, 5 square 25, 5 6 are 30, 25 minus 30, that is minus 5, minus 5 plus 5 again 0, so this is correct. Let us see the second root, 1 square is 1, 6 into 1 is 1, so 1 minus 6, that is minus 5, plus 5 is again 0, so both these values are satisfying our equation, hence our answer is correct. Okay, write down this, we will see the next example. Now let us see the fifth problem, question number 2, that is set 2.4. It is y square plus 1 by 3 y is equals to 4. Now this equation is not written in a standard form. Again here we are observing 3 is in the denominator. So as to get easy, we try to solve or simplify this. So what we do? We multiply by 3 on both sides. So multiplying by 3 on both sides, here 3 into y square plus here 3 into 1 by 3y, and that is equals to 3 into 2. So 3 is multiplied here, here and here. कैसे पता चला 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है? तो यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर में 3 था और हमें वो निकालना था. Okay, so therefore 3 into y square, that is 3y square. Here 3 into 3 or into 1 by 3, 3 get cancelled because 3 1 is 3, plus y remains, and that is equals to 6. Transferring 6 on this side, we will get the equation in a standard form. Therefore 3y square plus y This 6 on this side minus 6 is equals to 0. This is our equation in standard form. So comparing this, again we write here, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, we get a equal to, comparing this, we will get a equals to 3, b equals to, here we can get 1, and c equals to, c again, what is minus 6. After getting the values of ABC, what we find? We find, now we try to find the value of b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac, that is equals to b square, that is b is 1, so 1 square, minus 4 into a is 3, into c, that is minus 6, a is 3, into c is minus 6c, and that is written in a bracket because they are minus sign. So that is equals to 1 square is 1, this minus into this minus is plus, 4 into 3, that is 12, 12 6 are 72. We got here b square minus 4ac is equals to 73. Okay, so now by using formula, अब क्या ख्याल में रखना होगा? What is the variable in the equation? Y. So we write here y is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon a. Therefore, putting the value y is equals to minus b. B की value क्या है? That is 1. So minus 1, we will do minus 1 plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac. The value of b square minus 4ac we already calculated, and that is 73. Okay, this value again written here upon twice a. Now, as we know, 73 is not a perfect square. Also, we cannot factorize it. If we factorize, we have to factorize it and simplify. So here we have to separate the roots. So instead of 2a, what we do? The value of a. The value of a is, value of a is 3. So we write the value of a, that is 3 here. So therefore, y is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of 73 upon 2 into 3, that is 6. So therefore, what is the root? Therefore, either y is equals to minus 1 plus square root of 73 upon 6, or the second one is y is equal to minus 1 minus root of 73 upon 6. So these are the roots of this equation. Okay, write down this from the practice test. There is 5x square plus 13x plus 8 equal to 0. This equation, the solution, we write the equation was 5x square plus 13x plus 8 equal to 0 is the given equation. This equation is already the standard form. So compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, standard form. What we get? We get the value of a. Compare a, x square coefficient 5, b, x coefficient 13, c, constant term 8. So what we get is equals to 8. Now what we do? We first find the value of now b square minus 4ac. Find out the value. What is b square? That is 13 square minus 4 into a, that is 5, into c, that is 8. B square that is 13 square minus 4 into ac, 4a, that is 5, into c, that is 8. That equals to 13 square. Don't all of you? That is 169 minus 4 5 are 20. 28 are 160. Okay. So that is equals to 169 minus 160, that is 9. So therefore, b square minus 4ac is equals to 9. Now we use formula. So using formula, what is the formula? Again, which is the variable x. So what we write? X is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, so putting the value x is equals to what is minus b. The value of b is 13. So value of b is 13 plus minus under root. What is the value of b square minus 4ac? 9. क्या होता अगर हम यहाँ पहले ही b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac की वैल्यू नहीं निकालते तो हमें इस फॉर्मूले में b की वैल्यू, a की वैल्यू, c की वैल्यू रखनी पड़ती। ये जो कैलकुलेशन के 3 स्टेप हमने यहाँ किए हैं ये पूरी 3 स्टेप फॉर्मूले के साथ हमें रिपीट करनी पड़ती। तो वो इजी करने के लिए हमने पहले b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac की वैल्यू निकाली। ओके, हाँ, यू कैन डू इन दैट वे ऑल्सो अपॉन 2 into a, that is a is 5. Therefore x is equals to minus 30 plus minus root 9 is 3 upon 10. So therefore x is equal to, now we can separate the plus and minus sign. So minus 13 plus 3 upon 10 or x is equals to minus 13 minus 3 upon 10. Therefore x is equals to minus 13 plus 3. So here the different signs are there. And what we do? Subtraction. Subtraction. So subtraction is 10. 13 minus that is 10. And the sign of greater number that is minus upon 10. बहुत बार होता क्या है हम ये सब कुछ कर लेते हैं बट यहाँ पे गड़बड़ होने के चांसेस होते हैं। यहाँ हम कुछ बचपन के मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग की वजह से मिस्टेक्स कर लेते हैं। सो लेट अस x इज इक्वल टू अगेन सो माइनस दोनों को माइनस साइन है। सो व्हाट वी डू इफ द साइन सेम साइंस आर देयर addition 13 plus 3 that is 16 and again the sign of greater number or the same sign on 10. So therefore here 10 1s are 10, so x is equals to minus 1 we obtain and x is equals to, here we reduce it, both are divisible by 2, 2 8s are 16 and 2 5s are 10. So therefore roots of the equation are x is equals to minus 1 or x is equals to minus 8 by 5. Okay, understood?
Dear students, solve the practice set 2.4 in your notebook. If any difficulty is there, don't forget to contact me either WhatsApp or phone me. Thanks.